Hey guys, you probably know who it is and who we is, but I was thinking about making it beautiful, but I wasn't making it beautiful for you guys because I don't give a damn about you, but I do give a damn about you because you my people though, and this is my bra, and we don't talk about names, we just people from the car making it look. So the thing about being a parent, I want to talk about it. Speel ik met jou speel goed. Oké, nog een vraag die je naar die huis gewoon gemaakt hebt en ik het niet. Ik heb gezegd, ik is op retirement. The thing about being a parent, you don't know nothing about being a parent, but you can do on maar ze schoenen zet. I'm giving advice.
Stop it, bro.
I'm giving advice. Being thus gorgeous and being a parent.